After 50, leg strength becomes one of the biggest predictors of whether you can climb stairs easily, recover from trips, and stay independent. And the problem is, your leg strength actually declines 2 times faster than your upper body strength. So yesterday, I was onboarding a new client whose main goal was simply to get stronger legs because she was struggling to get up off the couch. And what made it really sad was that I actually spoke to her about 8 years ago for a consultation. And at the time, she just wasn't ready to start strength training. Now, 8 years later, she's done absolutely nothing, and the decline has progressed to the point where she is starting to lose her independence. I want to show you a very simple test that you can do at home that quickly reveals how strong your legs really are, so you can make some good decisions whether or not you're ready to start strength training. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the test, explain what your results mean at the end, and show you a few simple exercises that you can do straight away to start improving your leg strength. So the test that we're going to do is something called a wall sit test, okay? It's very, very simple, but it's very effective in predicting how strong that your legs actually are. And there's a couple of ways I want you to do it, because you can do it in a bunch of different ways, but there's one way that really is going to show how strong your legs are. So the first thing you're going to find yourself some sturdy surface or a wall that you can put all your body weight on. Super important. You don't want a door that's going to pop open and you're going to fall down, right? And what you're going to do, you're going to put your back against the wall and you're going to step your feet out, and you're going to keep your sort of legs in line with your hips just a little bit, and you're going to turn out your toes to about this angle, okay? And all you're going to do, you're going to slide yourself down, okay? And this is important. So where your legs or your thighs are 90 degrees with the floor. This is the sort of hardest point of the exercise. And if you're training and doing it, you can come up a bit higher, right? But I want you down 90 degrees. I want you to get a timer or stopwatch, and you're just going to hang out right here, okay? And this is the test. As soon as you get into position, you're going to start the stopwatch and you're going to time yourself doing this exercise. And there's going to be like 5 sort of bands or categories that you're going to fall into with this exercise. So if you're less than 30 seconds, you've got some serious work to do on your leg strength, because you're already starting to lose your independence, and it won't be too much longer before you're going to struggle to climb stairs, get up off a chair, and do the things that you love to do in daily life. So you've got a lot of work to do, all right? Another thing as well is that if you would like to, just share your results down below. Let other people know how you're getting on, right? So then you got the next band, 30 to 60 seconds. If you're in this band, this is kind of the average. Now, I don't want you to just go, yeah, I'm average, because if you look around, the average person over 50 is unfit, overweight, and healthy, okay? And although that's where the average person sits, you want to be striving for something a little bit higher, because in this average category, you're only a sniff away from being in the sort of losing your independence in a really short space of time if you're not doing anything. Then you got your third band, 60 to 90 seconds. And if you're in there, you're doing well, you're above average, okay? And you can still make some improvements, but you're not got anything to worry about at the moment. If you're then in that 90 to 120 second, you are very strong, and whatever you're doing is working. I encourage you to keep on doing it. And then the last one, if you're above 120 seconds, 2 minutes or so, you are in the top tier for your kind of age group, all right? And keep on doing what you're doing. You're going to have a fantastic independent life, and you're obviously very strong, very fit, and you take care of yourself. So let me know where you sit within in these sort of ranges. Now, I got a couple of things to offer for you. If you are worried about your strength, and the biggest thing is you have no idea where to start, then I've got a free strength guide that you can download absolutely free. All you need to do is comment strength down below, and I will send that over to you. Or you can look in the description or the first comment, and you'll find the link for that there. Now, if you are looking for some leg exercises only, just to build up your leg strength so you can move up a category, there is going to be a video in the top corner there which walks you through an entire leg routine. So I'd encourage you to head over to that video, check it out, put it into practice, and I promise you, in a few short weeks, your leg strength is going to improve, and I can pretty much guarantee it, right? So head over to that video there, and I'll see you on the next one.